Chalo, go get a biscuit. Go. Get a biscuit.
At least I didn't use that biscuit.
Any biscuit. Go. We'll have a biscuit activity. Did you get it, Izan?
Yes.
Did you get the biscuit?
Yes.
Cookies, biscuit. Bus, time up. Come fast. Come fast. Come fast. Abdullah, Yahya, Izan. Did you get it? Yes, lovely. Izan got it. Abdullah and Yahya, where are you? How much should I shout? Hey, what are you doing, Izan? Remove one biscuit from the packet. No, you should not eat like that. That's not the proper way. Abdullah, come sit. Did you get your biscuit?
Yes.
Okay, where is Yahya?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, fast. We don't have time. Should be fast.
Yahya went to store.
Yahya, where are you?
Ma'am, it went down.
Where is he roaming?
Ma'am, do we have to write? Ma'am, he's coming. He told.
Okay.
Ma'am, do we have to write?
No, you have to eat. Today you don't have to write, you have to eat, okay?
Okay, I'll put as many in my mouth and count.
No, we are in fractions. I'll ask you how much to eat.
That's how fraction works.
Okay.
You put stuff in your mouth and then you start.
Oh. Even I agree with you. Yahya and Abdullah, they both are not coming. How should we start with the activity?
Ma'am, Yahya went down to the.
Why? How you know he went down to the stairs?
I know.
Okay. You stay next to her or you are her relative or something?
No.
Okay. What about you, Abdullah?
A little close to his building.
Oh, next to us. Okay, Bombay. You also live in Bombay. Like him?
No, my sister lives. I think my sister.
Okay.
No. My friend lives in Bombay.
Okay, Abdullah. Yahya, we are not taking you in the activity because you're not coming and sitting at the place. Then what should we do?
He went to get the biscuit from down.
Yeah, Yahya. Come sit now. Chalo. Remove one biscuit.
Ma'am, he is down. That's why he can't.
Let it be, Aisha. We have to start. It's 12:10.
Yes,
Chalo.
I know.
Start. He came. Oh my God. He came with the biscuit. Good. Chalo. Remove. Okay. Remove. Okay. The fraction is. Wait. The fraction is. Tell me how much will be 1, 2 of your
1 by
biscuit.
2.
1 by 2. Get me that much of numbers. 1 by 2. Arey, Izan, 1 by 2. You don't have to eat. You don't have to eat. Show me how much is 1 by 2 of your. First, wait. Count the biscuit. Wait. Yeah, wait. First, calculate the total number of biscuit. How many you are having it? How many are you having it?
1.
No. Total. How many biscuits do you have?
2.
In the whole packet, 2 biscuits is there. In the whole packet.
No.
Count. Izan, count how many biscuits you have in the packet? 16. So my question is get half of the 16. How much is half? 1 by 2 fraction of 16. How much is it? How much is it? Okay, sorry for the interruption. Half of 16, how much? Fraction is 1/2. Half of 16, no. Out of 16, you have to get
1/2.
half. How much? Show me. I didn't
1,
see half
2,
of one
3,
biscuit.
4,
Aisha,
5, 6, 7, 8.
wrong. Yeah, you're wrong.
8.
8. Who said 8? Who said 8?
Zahia.
Half of 16 is how much? 1/2 fraction of, yes, is how much? 8. Yes. Now take 8. Now lift 8 biscuits along with you. 4 over here and 4 over here. Adiba, do you have a biscuit packet along with you? Then only you can do this activity.
1 minute.
Yes. Now, total is how much?
I didn't eat it.
Yes. Izan, are you holding 8 biscuits? 4 here, 4 here. Are you holding 8 biscuits? 4 here, 4 here. Everybody, Abdullah, turn on your camera. Abdullah, turn on your camera. Okay. Now, get me 1/4 of 8. 1/4 of 8. 1/4. 8 biscuits. 1/4 is how much? 1/4. Show me how many biscuits. 1/4 of 8. 1/4.
These are 8 biscuits.
No, 8 biscuits. Yes. I need, Aisha, 1/4 of 8. 1/4 of 8. 8 biscuits you have. 4 over here and 4 over here. How much will be 1/4 of 8? Think.
2.
Who said that? Who said that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, 2. 2.
2.
Make 2 groups. 2 groups. So 1/4 is how much? You got 4 groups. 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 groups. So 1/4 of 8 is how much? 2. Chalo, next. Now take 4 biscuits. 2 in one hand, 2 in another hand. Chalo, take 4 biscuits. 4 biscuits. 2 in one hand. Yeah. Now I want Izan to answer.
Oh.
Yeah, Izan. Half of 1/2 of 4. 1/2 means half. 1/2 of 4 is how much? Chalo, tell fast. 1/2. Half of 4.
2.
Half is very nice. 2. Lovely. Now wait. Now take 2 biscuits. Okay? Take 2 biscuits. Show me. Lift it. Show me. Like this. Yes. Now, yeah. Now, what you have to do? Wait. 1/4 of this 2 biscuit. Who will get it? 1/4. Who will get it? 1/4 of this 2 biscuit. Think.
1.
Whatever it is, show it to me. 1/4 of this 2
Ma'am,
biscuit.
4. Half.
Yaya is giving the right answer. Break it and show it to me. Very nice. 1/4 of 2 biscuit is how much?
Half.
Break it fast. Did you? Yes, now eat that half. Very nice, Yaya. Eat that half. Yes. How much are you eating, Abdullah? No, Abdullah, you're going wrong. 1 biscuit का half करना है आपको. What have you done? आपने half का half कर दिया बेटा. That's wrong. You have done half. You have done half biscuit half.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, that's perfect, Abdullah. Eat half. Chalo, eat. Eat half. Yes.
I ate half.
Very nice. You have to eat it. Eat it. If I'll get the biscuit, so I'll keep eating only. You people are not eating only when I'm asking you to eat it. Okay. Done? Yes. Done?
Ma'am, I'm eating.
Okay. Hello. Now. Okay. Now take 1 biscuit. Take one whole biscuit. Done? Yes. No, no, Izan, one whole biscuit. This is half. When I say yes, keep that. And don't throw all these half parts, huh? Give it to someone in your family or you eat it. Never waste food. Izan,
Okay, ma'am.
first one biscuit. Yes. Now the question is, everybody ready? Ahmad, you don't want to play, Ahmad? We're playing a biscuit activity on fractions.
Yes.
You don't want to join? Yeah, Ahmad?
Ma'am,
You
this
don't
is
want to join?
actually
Okay, lovely.
while you're doing that.
You got who scolded you? Who beaten you? Your mother?
Mom!
Chalo. Okay. Yeah, you got one biscuit. Now one. Show me your one biscuit. Lift your biscuit. Show me one biscuit. Yeah, one biscuit. Aisha, where is your biscuit? Why am I unable to see your biscuit?
One more. Half one now.
Yeah. Now.
One.
Yes. Now you have to eat 1/4 of one biscuit. 1/4. 1/4. First listen. 1/4. 1/4.
ये
Think,
हम
think,
जीत
think.
गए
1/4.
1/4 करवाना है
1/4. What would you do? Yes. 1/4 of your biscuit.
Ma'am, like
Ahmad,
half and then
look what you can do. First break it. First make it 2. First make it 2. Did you do? Yeah, make it 2. Adiba, do it.
ma'am, cut
Ahmad,
it
do
in
it.
half.
Ahmad has done it. You know, Ahmad has done it. He was showing me the 2
Ma'am,
parts of the
done,
biscuit. Yes.
done.
Now, but you, yes,
Done.
Abdullah, correct. Now,
So we have to break
we
this
don't
in
need half. What did
Teacher,
I say?
do.
I didn't need half. I need 1/4. So of that, from that half, remove the half. It will become 1/4. Yes. From that half, break it. The half part, break it into 2. Break it into 2. Yes,
Okay.
and eat one part. Yeah, Ahmad.
Please.
Show me, Ahmad.
Ma'am, do we need
Yes, that is 1/4.
Done, ma'am.
Ahmad, correct. Lovely, Ahmad. That is 1/4. Now eat that. Okay.
Ma'am, can I eat?
Izan, that is half, beta.
Ma'am, can
I
I
didn't
eat?
tell you half. I said 1/4. Yes, Izan. The one which is there in your
Ma'am,
right
I
hand
can
side, that is
eat.
correct.
Ma'am, I can eat.
Yes, you can. 1/4 only you have to eat. 1/4. Done?
Ma'am,
Eaten?
done. Eat this.
Okay. Eaten na? Chalo, the next one.
Ma'am, every 4 eat it.
Okay. Now show me. No, only the 1/4 part you have to eat. How much biscuit you will eat? Okay.
Ma'am, do we eat 2? Only one.
Yeah. Chalo, should we go to other? Okay, should we go to other part? Okay. Now, listen. Listen, everyone. Okay, good. Silence. You maintain silence. Now, we have talked about equivalent fractions. Do you know what are equivalent fractions? Last time?
Not for activity if you just take breakfast.
Yeah, Izan. Next time, what I'll do if I want to do any activity, I'll ask you not to do breakfast. So you'll keep eating biscuit. Is it fine? Okay. Now tell me, what have we learned about equivalent fractions? Tell me. We will do activity on this. Who will tell me? Who will tell me what is equivalent fractions? No one? No one? Stop it. Tell me, what is equivalent fraction of 1/2? Anybody? What is equivalent fraction of 1/2?
One biscuit and half.
Okay, one biscuit and half is right. Right. You are right. But equivalent fraction, everybody first mute yourself.
One and half.
First mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Ahmad, mute yourself. Ahmad, yes. What about others? Mute yourself. Yes. What is the equivalent fraction? Having a same
1/2.
No, equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Nobody? You should always multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Multiply. I am taking 2. What is 1, 2?
Ma'am, Akita, this is 1 by 2 or 2 by 2?
2 by 2? Are you sure? No.
No. 2 by 1.
No, 2 into 2 is how much? Yeah. 2 into 2 is how much?
4.
Yes. Who said that? Who said that?
Abdullah.
Lovely. 2 by 4. So equivalent fraction for 1 by 2 is how much? Chalo, show me this much in your biscuit.
1 by 2, 1 biscuit and half.
Yes. 2 by 4?
One biscuit in half, so do you have to split a biscuit in half?
Yes. Chalo, do this. Now, how do you do this?
Ma'am,
Wait,
done.
wait.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
2 by 8.
Okay. Wait. 2 by 8 is not equivalent fraction. First, show me the half biscuit. First, show me
Ma'am.
1 by 2
Ma'am,
out of
ma'am.
2. Yeah.
Ma'am, Abdullah.
Yeah. Tell me, Abdullah. Right. Abdullah is right. This is 1 by 2, na, Abdullah? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody show me first 1 by 2 of a biscuit. Come on, fast. 1 by 2 of a biscuit, Aisha. 1 part out of 2. 1 part out of 2.
Ma'am.
Izan, that's correct. That's correct, Izan. What about Ahmed?
Ma'am, there was
Right. It's right, Ahmed. Adiba? 1 by 2. 1 part out of 2. Yes. Now, chalo. Okay. Now, 2 parts out of 4. Chalo, show me 2 parts out of 4. Fast. 2 parts out of 4. Let me see how many of you are intelligent. Everyone is intelligent. 2 parts out of 4. 2 parts out of 4. How you have done it? Yeah, that's wrong. Aisha, yeah. Ahmed, would you like to try? 2 parts out of 4. First, do what? First, take a biscuit and make a 4 parts. Have you done it?
ma'am,
Have you
one
done it?
biscuit.
Take
Ma'am, one biscuit.
Make 4. What is the total parts? 2 by 4. 2 by 4. What is the total parts? 4. Chalo, 4 parts karo. Do it fast.
Done, ma'am.
Show me. Yes. Now what is 2 by 4? Show me 2 out of 4. Yes, Izan, that's correct. 2 by 4. Show it to me.
Ma'am, 2 by 4.
Perfect.
This 2 by 4 as well.
Now, wait. Just show me 2 by 4. Leave that. Leave one part. Yeah, 2 by 4. Now, this 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Tell me, everyone. This 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2.
2 by 4 એટલે
Yes.
2 બિસ્કિટ માંથી 4 કરવાના.
Okay.
2 by 4
This
એટલે
2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 or not?
2 biscuit માંથી 4 કરવાનું.
એટલે 1 by 4 કર્યું. 1 માંથી 4 કર્યું.
What happened, Abdullah? What's the problem?
એટલે 1 by 4 કહેવાય. 2 by 4 નો કહેવાય.
Yeah. 2 by 4. Chalo, show me 2 by 4. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4.
Yes, ma'am.
That's correct. So can I say, show me 2 by 4. Show me 2 by 4. Show me. Abdullah, you were right. Why are you getting confused? Yes. And show me 1 by 2. 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 Yes. So can I say 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are same? They are equal? They are equal or not?
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
And 2 by 4 are equal? Are equal? Yes. They are equivalent fractions. Okay?
Ma'am, after
Chalo.
this one.
Now keep your biscuits aside. Now keep your biscuits aside. Enough. Eat that biscuits if you want.
Side.
Back to maths.
Ma'am, 4 side. Ma'am, 4 side. 4 pieces.
Yes.
Okay.
Chalo.
इसको साइड करो बिस्किट्स को साइड करो
Write down all the fractions you see which are equivalent to 1 by 2. Tell me. Which all fractions are equivalent to 1 by 2? I told you na how to do this.
1 biscuit and half.
No,
Ma'am,
no,
1 biscuit and half.
no. Listen now. No, keep your biscuits aside. Now we will do
1
it.
and half.
1 and a half. But what is the equivalent fraction for 1 and a half? Tell me. What is the equivalent fraction? Yeah?
1.
No. I told you how to get the equivalent fraction. How should I get it?
1 biscuit,
No.
1 biscuit and half.
So what does it make? 1 biscuit and half. What does it make? Look, kids, listen. Listen.
1 by
to what I'm
2.
saying. No, listen. Abdullah, listen. To get an equivalent fraction, you have to multiply.
And
You have
half.
to multiply numerator and denominator
1 and
with the
half.
same number. Chalo, multiply with the same number. What is 1 2s? What is 1 2s? 2. And what is 2 2s? 4. So my
4,
fraction is 2 by 4. Now take another one. Now take another one.
Jampula.
Take, I want to multiply by 3. So multiply numerator also with 3 and denominator with also 3. So 1 3s is how much? Tell me 1 3s.
3, 3, 3.
And 2 3s? 2 3s?
2 3s.
6. Okay. So this is another equivalent fraction. Now the next one. I will multiply the number with what? Tell me. With what? 3 is done. Now which number should I take? Tell me. Which number? After 3 what comes? After 3 what comes? 10. Okay, we'll take 10. If you want, we can take 10 also. No issue. Chalo. 1 10s are? 1 10s are how much? 10.
10, 10, 10.
And 2 10s are? 2 10s are?
20.
20.
20.
One more equivalent fraction. One more equivalent fraction we need. Tell me, which number should I take? Up to you. Which
7.
number you want me to take? Tell me. Which number? Up to you. Tell me. 4. Okay. Multiply numerator and denominator by 4. By the same number. What is 1 4s? Tell me what is 1 4s? Yeah, kid.
1 4s 4.
4. And what is 2 4s? What is 2 4s?
2 4.
8. What is 2 4s? 8. So
8.
these 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 10 by 20, 4 by 8 are all equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. Chalo, now I want, who will answer this? I want Adiba to answer this. Adiba. Yeah. Get me equivalent fraction of 3 by 4.
What?
3 by 4. Equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Tell me.
4 by 3.
Why 4 by 3? You have just reversed. That's wrong. Adiba, listen everyone. To get equivalent fraction, you have to
3 by
multiply.
4.
You have to multiply number with, you have to multiply numerator and denominator fraction by any number you feel like. Positive number. What number you want to take? Tell me. Abdullah, you tell me which number you want to take. Which number you want to take? Tell me.
3.
3. Okay. We'll do 3 over here also and 3 over here also. Tell me. 3 3s are? 3 3s are?
3 3s are 3 3s are 6.
9.
9.
3 3s are 9 9.
And 4 3s are?
4
12. So
12.
9 by 12 is equivalent fraction. Equivalent means similar. Just like 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 9 by 2. Okay, your table should be fixed. Now let's take another one.
Tables
Equivalent fraction means having same value. Chalo, Adiba, now tell me which number should I multiply with? Up to you. Whichever number you want to take. Yeah, Adiba, tell me. Which number?
4.
Okay, 4. But you have to take numerator and denominator. You have to multiply with same number. It shouldn't be I am taking 4 over here and 5 over here. It shouldn't be like that. Same number. 3 4s. Tell me 3 4s. 12. And 4 fours are? 4 fours are?
16.
Yes. So 12 by 16 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 4, just like 9 by 12. Okay, understanding? Okay, let's take one more example. Yes, one more example. 2 by 8. Who will tell me equivalent fraction for this? 2 by 8.
2.
No, multiply. Multiply numerator or denominator with any number. Which number you want to take? Simple is 2.
16.
Who said? Who said? No one?
Yeah.
Now multiply numerator and denominator by same number. Which number you want to take? Think, which number you want to take? You can take 2, you can take 3, you can take 4. 3, okay. Let me first take 2. 2 is simple, na? We know 2's table very well. So we can take 2. Chalo. Now what is 2 2s are? What is 2 2s are?
4,
What is
4,
8 2s are?
4.
8 2s is 4. 8 2s is 4. 16. So 4 by 15 is equivalent fraction of 2 by 8. Okay. Let's take one more example. 5 by 10. Who will tell me the equivalent fraction for 5 by 10? Chalo. Multiply numerator and denominator with the same number.
Ma'am, 4.
No 4. What have you multiplied? What have you multiplied with? 15 by what? 15 by?
50.
What 15? No.
2.
No. Think. Multiply 5. 5 0. Okay. What have you multiplied with? What have you multiplied 5 and 10 with? Tell me. Take 2. How many times should I tell you? Multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Take simple one. 5 2s are 10 and 10 2s are 20.
20.
So 10 by 20 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 10. Okay? Okay?
So, 50.
Yes, 15.
50.
Now, yeah?
We have to write now or do we
Yeah.
you still have to?
Just we did this. Take a piece of paper and fold it. Would you like to do it again?
No, ma'am, not again. Yes.
Take a paper, fold it. Look, one paper is there. Okay? A paper is there. If you fold it, what part you will get? Label the quarters. What would be the quarters? Tell me.
2.
No, there are total 2 parts.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1
Draw it here and label the quarters. So I have drawn this, and here I am writing 1 by 2, and here I am writing 1 by 2. Okay? Next part. Now fold it. Fold it half again. Now what we have to do? This is my paper. Look, this is my paper. I took half out of it. Take half. How much is half? This much. Yeah, this much is half. Okay. Now make half out of it. Make again half out of it. Make half out of it. Look what will happen here.
Half of the eat.
No. No.
Big.
This is
Very big.
half. Half of half. How much?
Half.
How much?
1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by
Very
4.
good, Abdullah. 1 by 4.
Half.
Which one we
Half and half.
Just a second. I think we are on this. Yeah. And label it the quarters. What would be my quarters? 1 by 4. Tick 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Now, what are they saying? What are they saying? Now the quarters which you have taken, again make it half. How would you do this? Now make half of this as well. How would you do this? 1/4 ka, fold it again. You took this paper. Look, 1/4 is this. 1/4 is this. Okay. Make half of this. Make half of this. So how much it will become? Think how many parts? Think.
1 by 5.
No. No.
2
look.
by 5. 2 by 5.
No. Count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each fraction would be how much, Abdullah?
8.
Total is 8. 1 by 8. Total is how much? 8. So each part will be what? Each part will be 1 by 8.
1 by 8. 8. 8.
Okay?
1 by 8.
Next time when we meet, we are doing number line. How to represent
1
number.
by 8.
ठीक है? चलो. Till then, bye everyone. Take care. Happy weekend. Bye bye.
Bye bye bye. And have a nice day.